it's interesting that even like your age or station in life doesn't change.
Where everyone cares, and then when there's nobody murdered, right, or when there's no videos going viral, nobody seems to care.
We got involved, and then like we said before, during lunch we're gonna have some therapy dogs and some mini horses that you can spend time.
What inspired me to be a leader again this year was seeing a bunch of different people from racial, social, and economic backgrounds come together in one room and just share all of their experiences. Seeing everybody kind of communicate and share something was so special.
Yeah, and to build off of Mia, I really like the aspect of everyone getting to talk back and forth, because I feel that everyone shared their stories and it inspired me to be able to share my story with everyone else, and it was just a very good safe space to communicate with a bunch of different people.
If you wanted to add to this, this over here, we have a time marker over here.
I'm going to take you into this, take a picture of the screen, and you're just going to put it in.
Last year we were both participants in the Student Summit, and this year we're both leaders in the Animal and Environmental Considerations group. For me at least, just seeing how united the leaders in all the groups were really made me want to be a part of it. Just seeing that community that was created with the summit, I just wanted to lead and become part of the community.
Yes, and after attending all the sessions, I thought it was really great how they spoke to each of us and talked about and educated all of us on these topics. So being able to lead that and help educate other like-minded people and our peers is really rewarding.
The amount of people that came last year really inspired me to continue to lead and teaching people about climate change. So we had 12 schools last year. It just keeps expanding every year. More and more students are signing up that we had to move from Woodland Hills to a bigger campus. So it inspires a lot of people, not only myself or Woodland Hills children, but to come out and do more for the community.
In fact, it will be used to defund any state, school, college, or university that teaches students about the history of racism.
I'm helping out with the animal and environmental considerations, and what I want to teach the participants today is that there are so many more ways than just the cliche turn off the water and recycle. There's so many other ways to influence your climate change and to cut down on your human footprint than just doing those things. You can do so much more, and everyone has the power to do so much more. You just need to know what it is, and that's why I'm here today.
I'm teaching positive change in schools, and the reason why I'm teaching this is because seeing other schools' environments and how they act is kind of disappointing. So I feel like if we go out and teach people about positive change, it would kind of help and shape up the environment in other schools.
Is your kids bottom line?
I like most meeting a lot of people from every other school and getting to hear different perspectives on what their school life looks like.
We like anytime we can get our students around students from other school districts and then collaborate on anything at all. So the fact that they're all here representing not only their schools but this larger mission of the summit is something we always want to be a part of. We have to thank Ms. Wall. There's a tremendous amount of work that goes into this, planning up for this event. We want to thank Penn State Greater Allegheny for being such a great host. But this is something we're going to continue to build on every year, and we want to make sure that we continue with these collaborations.